So I used AI to generate 10 videos of what a day of a busy bioinformatician would look like. I used VO3. This is a new AI that Google released in May. And you have only seen one of those videos, which we will start with just to set the scene.
Ooh.
And this is one I posted on LinkedIn, and it looks like this.
I still don't know what that machine is. Maybe it's because I'm not a wet lab person, but also this is supposed to be the day in the life of a bioinformatics scientist.
Exactly. I mean, she does pipette her screen.
Why is she wearing a lab coat? I've never worn a lab coat since like organic chemistry in college.
Right. And so this is the first one I did that convinced me we need more of these.
Yes.
And specifically, like this one is about apparently a bioinformatics scientist. She likes to pipette her screen. What if I asked it to make something about...
disappears.
Right. What if we did a video about a bioinformatics engineer? What would that look like?
Ooh, okay. Wait, did she just tap her pen into the screen?
Yes. I don't know what is it with these AI systems and tapping things on the screen. The scientist uses a pipette. The engineer uses a pencil.
To just slam into the screen. Have they just seen a lot of touch screens or something where people are interacting with screens?
I think so, because also it looks pretty futuristic. Like,
yeah, what is that?
None of this really... This looks too visual compared to, the typical engineer's command
she's
line.
clearly working on proteins.
There we go.
Yeah. That's got to be proteins. I see a 3D model of blobs.
Yeah. Also, I don't know if you noticed, but the pen only showed up here.
She's typing and suddenly a pen appears in her hand.
Which is kind of amazing. And then
boop. She just boops the screen. Oh my god.
And so this is when I thought, okay, I need to be more specific.
Okay.
A day in the life of a bioinformatics engineer who's writing a Nextflow pipeline that does single-cell RNA sequencing analysis.
Oh no.
Here's what this looks like.
I need to know what
this is one of my favorites.
Nextflow means. What did she just do? What did she
We have
do
to
with
see
her
that
arms?
again. We have to see that again.
Wait, okay, so both her arms go over her head to do this.
Yes.
While one of them is drinking coffee.
Yes.
Whoa.
I mean, I think what they're
awesome.
trying to show is how, as bioinformatics engineers, we have to go through so many hoops and acrobatics
Okay.
to analyze our data.
Acrobacies, I love that.
There's also that,
Yeah, she's doing a weird scratching of her face in two different directions, which just feels very not human, but I can't describe why.
She's also very proud of herself.
Yeah, she doesn't hold this long enough. It's way too fast. But I guess it's trying to fit a lot into 8 seconds.
Right, that is a limitation.
Otherwise, this is the most accurate, that all she does is type on her computer, drink coffee or tea, and lean back going,
Exactly.
Aside from the physics and anatomy issues, mostly
Pretty
anatomy
accurate.
issues. Yeah, aside from the anatomy issues, it's pretty accurate. So I would say this is the best one.
But here's the thing.
Oh, I said Nextflow.
Bioinformaticians aren't always just sitting at their desk typing all day.
Uh-huh.
So I thought I had to spice it up a little bit. Sometimes we go out to a park, sit on a picnic blanket, and read a paper.
We do.
Okay, so Ribbon seems to be the best tool for visualizing these complex structural rearrangements.
How did you get her to say that?
I knew you would like this. The prompt I used was a scientist reading a paper about using the web tool Ribbon to analyze structural variants. And I didn't tell the AI to say anything in particular. She just decided
that it
it's
was the best tool.
So,
Okay, I need to see this again.
Okay, so Ribbon seems to be the best tool for visualizing these complex structural rearrangements.
Complex structural rearrangements. She got that from, training. Or I don't think VO searched the internet, right?
No.
But yeah, that you didn't give it those words. Like complex structural rearrangements is like part of what I've written about Ribbon that is on the internet and has been on the internet for many years.
I think I said structural variants.
Also, okay, did you see the dogs?
Yes.
Because there's a dog chasing a little white dog, and the little white dog turns into a yellow frisbee.
And this is the best way I could find to, advertise our own tools.
It's amazing.
Speaking of which, this video is brought to you by sandbox.bio, the best way to learn.
This video is brought to you by sandbox.bio, the platform for interactive bioinformatics journals, featuring a command line search in your...
Wow, is that supposed to be a picture, like from a picture of you?
No, so it lets me give it one picture.
Okay, and
I gave it a
background.
picture of this background, which is kind of amazing.
That's creepy.
It is. What else do bioinformaticians do?
Oh, come on. Why is this not working? This is so frustrating.
So basically I told it, show a bioinformatician trying to install SAM tools, and it's missing an LZMA dependencies, and I pasted the logs of the error, and it's trying to show them on screen, but they're kind of messed up a little bit.
You can read checking for, and then the rest of it's kind of garbage. Okay, I need to see. When they talk, I'm just like listening and not like analyzing all the bits.
Oh, come on. Why is this not working? This is so frustrating.
Yeah, this is the most accurate.
Yeah, this is too real. It's
nothing on SAM tools though. I would actually say SAM tools is one of the easiest tools to install that I've ever used. Most other things are way harder.
Yeah,
sure.
Of course, the other thing that we find ourselves doing is analyzing variants in IGV.
Ooh.
Okay, let's zoom in on this. Why are there so many reads supporting the reference here, but also a few supporting the alternative allele?
Allele. Okay, I love allele. I also love that it's apparently just his thoughts we're listening to.
Right. So what I told it was, this is a bioinformatician at a coffee shop investigating whether a variant is real on IGV.
Ah.
And so it seems like maybe he's listening in on a call while, I don't know, playing a game or something, because this does not look like IGV.
Yeah, that was my first thought, and then I just went right past that. Wow, what is the tool?
Okay, let's zoom in on this. Why are there so many reads supporting the reference here, but also a few supporting the alternative allele?
Allele. I can't get over allele. That's my favorite.
Well, I can't get over the fact that he put his coffee mug on his computer.
Yeah, I would say that's also just
that
wrong.
Is unacceptable.
Whoa. Yeah, even holding it over your computer, I think, is just a no-no.
So that was IGV.
Yeah.
Then I thought, what else do we do? Well, sometimes bioinformaticians review papers. So this is a frustrated professor reviewing a lousy paper in his messy office.
Wow.
This is a lousy paper.
The glasses.
Okay, the glasses.
We have to see that one again.
My favorite part is that he didn't do anything about his glasses.
This is a lousy paper.
Yeah, my favorite part is that he drops his glasses, and then he doesn't pay attention to it, but clearly he's wrong not to worry about it, because he already gets another pair on his face before he's done, like, reaching his hand up to touch his head. Oh my god.
You have no idea how many times I've looked at this video,
This
and it's still funny.
this is a lousy paper.
Where did he get his glasses?
I don't
She
know.
should be subjected to that much gravity. Just-
Right.
You know, people usually don't drop their glasses as soon as they lean. Oh my God. Okay, this one made me cry with laughter. It was really funny.
So I think that's what's the winner so far.
Yes. The glasses.
So we've all been working from home sometimes, and it's good to get exercise. So I
Okay.
asked it to show us a bioinformatician working from home, getting exercise with a treadmill.
Whoa, glasses again. What in the world?
So the funny thing is, I told it to make it in the style of a movie trailer, which it did not do. But also I told it that as the video progresses, the treadmill should go faster and faster, which also it didn't do.
He did start. He went from walking to jogging,
Right,
though,
and then his
that's
glasses
when his
just-
glasses, like he put on glasses. Yeah, let's see what happened to his glasses again. See, he grabs a pair of glasses, puts them on.
But he already put
And-
glasses on.
Yes, he was wearing glasses. He takes some more glasses, puts them on, which makes both of the glasses disappear.
That makes sense.
Yeah, totally. So the beginning of this video is like kind of boring as he's just walking. Wait, okay. Let's see if we can tell if he's speeding up. Oh yeah, he's getting faster.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. That's not bad.
Yeah. They should stop putting glasses on people who
I
don't need
know.
glasses
I didn't
because
even ask for glasses. It's like
Yeah.
they're trying to make it hard on themselves. Also,
Right.
the amount of sighing in these videos. Like, does the AI think that bioinformatics is this depressing?
I guess it got that right then.
I guess so. Finally, last video, I wanted to do something meta. I told it to make a video of the two of us
Oh no.
watching a video generated by Vio and
How much
laughing
sighing?
about it.
Okay. Wow.
And I also
And
like
that's what you've just been watching. No.
Wait a minute, how did her arms do that? Running the-
What do you mean? That's exactly how I drink tea.
Okay, you told it exactly
Yes,
what to say.
I did give it that.
Yeah.
Based on the the crazy tea drinking. So yeah, let us know in the comments what you thought and what kind of videos you would generate as a day in the life of a bioinformatician.
Yes. Yeah, if you give us some prompts, we might make a follow-up video.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.